Good morning, South Africa. It's Thursday, March 17, 2022, and here is news in a minute. Permanent mask wearing, social distancing plan under new COVID laws. Even when the state of disaster does finally expire, it seems the haunting shadow of the COVID-19 pandemic won't be moving on anytime soon. Under new draft laws published by the government this week, the National Health Act is seeking to enforce some mask wearing and social distancing rules on a regular basis. The public now has until the middle of April 2022 to make submissions to the bill before it is presented to NatJoins. If approved, the National Health Act will become the official legislation related to coronavirus. The draft laws include the following directives. People will be required to wear a face covering in any public indoor setting. No one will be allowed to use public transport or enter a public premises without a mask. All customer-facing businesses must determine a maximum number of people allowed inside their buildings. It is recommended that a 1 meter social distancing rule is kept for all public places and outdoor queues. Hand sanitizers must be provided upon entry, and each business must have a compliance officer. Work from home directives and social distancing in the workplace are both being encouraged. Vaccinated travelers will, eventually, be able to enter South Africa without a PCR test. While COVID is in its pandemic phase, funerals will be limited to a maximum of 100 people. Masks are required. All gatherings will still be subject to 1 meter social distancing rules and, if indoors, mask wearing mandates. While COVID is in its pandemic phase, venues will only be able to operate at 50% of their capacity. Those attending gatherings of 2,000 people or more will have to be vaccinated. This is Leah for the South African.